Kerala, or God's own country, has a reputation among tourists as a dream destination. It's a dreamland of people excelling in education and culture. It's also known for its festival celebrated with pomps and splendor, complete with elephants, melam and vedikettu. Also, the whole world looks with wonder and amazement at Kerala's own art forms like Kathakali, Kudiyattam, Mohiniyattam, etc. The fast-paced country song hold the audience spellbound, and all these place Kerala on a high pedestal in the culture map of the world. Moreover, the regular climate changes enhances the reputation of Kerala among other countries. Munnar, situated at a height of 6,000 feet above sea level, which is located at the confluence of the three rivers Kannimalayar, Nallathanni and Kundala, is one of the most favored destinations of the tourist of not only Kerala but also the whole of India. Munnar, which is known as the Kashmir of South India, is at a distance of 125 kilometers from Kochi, the Queen of the Arabian Sea. Many tourist resorts are located in the green carpeted Munnar, enveloped by the clouds descending from the mountain tops. Now, it's not just a dream to own a piece of property in Munnar, which place is the focus of tourists, world known for its natural beauty. One can also wake up to a sunrise in the misty background, listen to the ripple of waterfall, and breathe in the spicy fragrance of the breeze every day. Spicy City is becoming a reality at Rajakumari town, known as the Beauty Queen of Idukki, at a distance of 25 kilometers from Munnar. Spicy City comes with all the comforts of modern times, but still away from the mad hustle and bustle of today's fast-paced world. It boasts of world-class amenities like 6-meter tarring road, compound wall, water connection, electricity, swimming pool, gym, jogging track, children's play area, etc. A housing complex where one can escape into from the hustle and bustle of every day and spend time with one's loved ones in the lap of nature. Such a place, which was a dream till now, has become a reality. If there is a heaven on earth, this is it. This was the reaction of the people when they came to face with Fourth Viewpoint. This place is at a distance of just 10 kilometers from the dream home location. The housing complex is situated at a distance of 5 kilometers from the Kochi-Madurai NH and Munnar Thekadi State Highway, and the Kochi-Madurai bypass passes very near to it. Madhikettan Chola, proclaimed as a national park in 2003, is only 7 kilometers away from Spicy City. This place is an ideal trekking spot. The Iravikulam National Park, which is famous for its Neelakurunni blossom, which bloom once in 12 years, is near here. This national park is also the home of mountain goat Varayadu, which is a native of this area and a protected species. Apart from these, many tourist sites like Ramakilmedu, Anairangal Dam, Ponmudi Dam, Matupeti Dam, Eco Point, Top Station, Pupara Tea Plantation, etc. are located near this. The famous Thekadi Forest Resort is only 60 kilometers away from here. The Dream City, with all its modern amenities, is located at a distance of 100 kilometers from Nedumbasheri Airport. A number of industries, establishments, banks, ATMs, etc. are located in Rajakumari town, where Spicy City is located. This strange city is encompassed in 4 acres, 74 cents of land, and boasts of all the modern and off-the-art amenities as mentioned above. People returning back after visiting Munnar, known as Kashmir of South India, after immersing themselves in the natural beauty, always have a feeling of regret that they do not own a piece of this heaven. But now, one has only to reach out, and in the blink of an eye, this regret can be removed and their dream will become reality. Rajogi Procon Private Limited, Sri Krishna Complex, Shornur Road, Thrissur.